Hey there, welcome to our YouTube video. Today we are going to tackle a common problem that many web developers face when creating a hero section for their websites. The issue at hand is that the background image and a custom shape in the hero section do not scale proportionally when the browser window is resized. So the problem here is that as you resize the browser window, you'll notice that the shape in the hero section starts to bleed or creates a gap between itself and the background image. This can be quite frustrating, especially when you want your website to look visually appealing across different screen sizes. But fret not, because I have a simple and elegant solution for you. By using a clever CSS trick involving the clip path property, we can ensure that the background image and the shape scale together and maintain their proportions as the browser window is resized. This solution allows for a responsive design that looks great on all devices. Now, to implement this solution, you just need to follow the CSS styles provided in the example I've shared. By setting up the section and its pseudo-element with the correct positioning, background image, and clip path, you can achieve a hero section that scales beautifully with the browser window. Remember, it's all about creating a seamless user experience for your website visitors, and a well-designed hero section plays a crucial role in that. So give this solution a try and watch your hero section shine across different screen sizes. Alright, that's a wrap for today's video. If you found this solution helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment below. Remember, better web design is just a few CSS tricks away. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.